on YouTube, BusiGirl here, and today I'm going to do a follow-up for my light up slime video. You know, sometimes when you go to work and you get stressed, you get out of school and you're stressed because of homework. Your dog wants to lick you all day and it's all yucky. And you're left with a whole lot of stress. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make slime into a light up stress ball. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. Oh, if you didn't see the slime video, go check that out. What you'll need is fishnet stockings. You can use any color. I chose black because it shows up good on the camera. Then you'll need slime. I chose the clear because it can shine, the sun can shine through it and it's cool. And I used a bottle, a balloon, and a light. The first thing you need to do is put the balloon on the top of the bottle. This can be difficult because the opening of the bottle is too big for the balloon, but the balloon can stretch. It may take some time, so you just have to be patient. I had trouble at first, but I asked my dad to help me. If you're young like me, you might have trouble getting the balloon on the bottle. So you should ask your parents for help.
A few moments later.
This is what it should look like when the balloon is on the bottle. Now to add the slime. Begin to add the slime and fill the balloon up. You really have to stuff the balloon up to get the stress ball to the right size you want. After you get the stress ball to the size you like, add the light. I use a pole to push the light down to the bottom. Now that you got the light inside the balloon, you can see the light flashing. All that's left is to tie the balloon. I'll do that off camera.
One eternity later.
Now the balloon is all tied. The last thing to do is add the balloon to the fishnet stocking. Push the balloon all the way to the bottom of the fishnet stocking. Then tie a knot. Last, you will cut off the excess of the fishnet stocking. You're all done. So there you have it, a super light up stress ball. The most satisfying stress ball in the world. If you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So boom, now it's just going down.